Yo, peace and love, everybody. It's AI News with AI Erik, and around here, we just don't talk about artificial intelligence. Y'all know I live this.
Wait, I live this way.
I live this game.
So, I'm from Mount Vernon, New York, raised on hustle, powered by tech, and I'm here to break AI down so regular people can win in this new world. I'm not a coder, but I am a connector.
I'm a connector.
I teach business owners, content creators, and everyday people how to use AI tools the smart way so they can try to get some money with it, of course.
So we might as well see if we can make some money with it.
You guys go make some money with it.
And I talk about ChatGPT, a little bit about quantum computing, prompting to productivity. I definitely drop real strategies. I talk real news, and I always talk about how AI is changing the game. So,
financial pioneers who were changing the game.
Changing the game is me.
Once again, let me show you how to get ahead by using artificial intelligence. We got private courses, we got 101, we got group sessions. All you got to do is give us a call and we'll make it happen. Once again, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube, youtube.com/@AI Erik. So once again, this is AI News with AI Erik, where street smarts meet tech genius. Peace and love.
AI News with AI Erik.